Now, beyond this controversy, there's another breaking update where the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has said that women's safety will be his government's first priority. But the reality, however, looks different. Justice Victoria Gauri of Madras High Court, while hearing a case, the judge earlier who had ordered for a medical report to be submitted on the women's well-being, and when it comes to this another development that has now happened of medical report, Govt seems to be in focus. And now the High Court is questioning the government priorities. And a sharp observation that has come in from the court itself on the ground situation where the petition that seems to have been filed by a youngster who alleged that he's being disturbed by the police department with complaints of cheating a woman. So this is now being taken up as far as Dharni, if you can help us understand what is the medical report confusion that the High Court itself has now raised with regards to this petition.
Well, this happened on the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court. A youngster filed a PIL in the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court alleging that he's being disturbed, he's being bothered by the police department with complaints of cheating a woman, but in reality he has not cheated anybody in the name of love, is what he is praying. So in this case has been going on for a while now, and during one of the previous hearings, Justice Victoria Gauri wanted the Tirunelveli Medical College to submit a detailed report on the particular woman's well-being, her physical health well-being. But misunderstanding this order, the Tirunelveli Medical College submitted a report pertaining to her abortion eligibilities. So the judge got shocked after looking at this medical report, and she told that she mentioned nothing about abortion, and why is the hospital submitting a specific report in connection with abortion when she wanted a health report that is that concerns the entire well-being, the normal physical well-being of the women. So while during this hearing, she made an oral observation that the Chief Minister says that his government's priority is women's safety and women empowerment and women wellness. But in reality, it looks like the government authorities who are working under him, they are not taking it seriously, and the reality looks very different from what the government promises in its speeches.
Because Dharni, there have been challenges as far as for the new TVK government is concerned. Ever since the oath-taking ceremonies happened, there have been multiple issues pertaining not just to women, but also children as far as these cases of rising crime, and this is something which would pose as a bigger challenge for the new Chief Minister to tackle these issues.
Well, definitely, it's just been 1 month since the TVK government came into force, and within this 1 month itself, we've seen numerous number of sexual crimes, murders, and robberies taking place in various parts of Tamil Nadu, and the opposition parties are in fact not giving any honeymoon period for the new TVK government, be it Udayanidhi Stalin or Edappadi Palaniswamy. They began attacking the TVK government on law and order in the very first month itself. But on the other hand, whenever we pose a question about these allegations to the TVK netas, they say that they should at least be given 6 months time to rectify everything that is not right. In fact, yesterday, in the launch event of the Fingerprint Special Task Force, Chief Minister Vijay told that the drug menace in the state has become uncontrollable, and it is the previous DMK regime that was responsible for this drug menace. It will take some time for us to rectify it, and once this drug menace goes down, then the crimes against women will also hopefully go down, is what Vijay told. So the TVK government,
the first issue would be to tackle as far as rising crimes against women and children, the special task force that has been set up. However, with that as well, so have the controversies that have begun around the special task force, and of course how the Chief Minister would be dealing with them, as he also plans to visit New Delhi for the second time. Thank you very much for the moment, Dharni, for joining us here on the broadcast. With that, we head into a short break. Southern Spice continues on the other side.